Welcome!
We're assembling at Disney Hotel New York, the Art of Marvel.
We're going to check out everything this hotel has to offer.
Like the rooms,
the dining,
the shopping,
and the super amenities. Check out the size of this place.
It's really incredible. There are so many superhero details throughout here, and I really feel like I'm in New York City.
So we've got the luggage services just over here.
And over here you can see if you're headed back to the airport, you can go right there.
And this is where, if you haven't checked in online through the Disneyland Paris app, the cast members will look after you over here.
And if there is a wait, there's so much to watch here. You can actually see artists creating their favorite superheroes. If you're a guest of the Empire State Club, this is where you are going to find your private check-in just off the lobby.
There's exclusive perks. They're going to look after your luggage for you so you can head straight into the Disney parks.
And just next door, you'll find the Empire State Club Lounge.
This is an exclusive spot to enjoy your complimentary breakfast.
Tea time treats.
And you'll get soft drinks complimentary throughout the day. Let's take a look at this Empire State Club room. So you've got loads of storage in this room. You've got several drawers here and a big wardrobe here, including some extra blankets and an ironing board. The room here is really spacious. Same with Empire State Club. Actually, you might find that your room's in a different configuration. It could be a sofa and a bed, or it could be two beds. But one thing that is always the same is in Empire State Club rooms, you're going to have a full mini fridge. And just over here, we've got all of our tea and coffee making facilities. And I'm also noticing all of these outlets all across the room. So you've actually got USB, European, and even a UK outlet. And this huge mirror at the front of the room, I think maybe that does something super too. There's a TV hidden in the mirror. Just next to the bed, you've got loads of different lighting options, so you're not disturbing the other people in the room. And you've even got a really handy USB socket right next to the bed. So just in the bathroom, we've got the toilet here, we've got a shower with bathtub, sink, massive mirror, and then staying at Empire State Club, actually you get a few extra amenities, which is a really nice thing to have when you're on vacation. We've got outlets here for toothbrushes, shavers, which is really useful. Let's take a look at the superhero suite.
This is actually a part of the Empire State Club.
Check out these robes. There's some for the little ones and some for the big ones.
Robes. So robes for the whole. Oh, they're so soft.
My little boy would love to be dressed in the same robe as me, and it would be
just,
so cute.
And I just want to lounge in a robe.
This room is such a good size.
Oh, this is just a sitting area.
Yeah.
Okay. And the views of
right over Lake Disney.
Oh my goodness. You see Iron Man down there?
Yeah, I see Newport Bay Club.
Yep, Panorama Magique.
I can even see the Tower of Terror.
Oh, wow. This really does, like, the sleek lines. You feel like you're in New York.
Yeah,
like, really.
yeah. And of course, we've still got the superhero art and the superhero touches everywhere. We've got Hulk! So here we've got some tea and coffee making facilities. We've got everything we need here.
It comes with the, excellent.
Yeah, everything we need to make the perfect cup of tea.
Lots of storage. I'm all about storage. Okay,
let's check this out. With all Empire State Club rooms, you're going to find a mini fridge.
Oh, that's nice.
Perfect.
I would probably put my bottles of water in the fridge.
Traveling with kids is always great. Any opportunity you can have a mini fridge in the room.
This is so much space. There's even TV in here, which is great. Oh.
And a whole wardrobe.
Oh, wow. And then pillow and blanket in here?
So this is actually because this is a sofa bed.
Oh, that's a sofa
bed? Yeah, so if you're traveling with the family, you can get the extra blankets and pillows out and then just somewhere to sleep.
So this control panel here is a super convenient way to control the lights. You can press this here and it'll take you through different levels of brightness, and then you can even go into night mode, right? You can turn everything on and off here.
Check out this room.
It's Spider-Man!
Yeah.
Oh, that's fun.
And the bed is enormous.
I would say that is a very large bed.
Yeah.
And I like there's so much lighting around the bed.
Yeah.
That's really good. And I like that the light switches. I'm always big on that when the light switches are by the bed, so I don't have to get out of bed.
And you're not disturbing anybody else if you're changing the light on your side. The great thing is you've got outlets next to the bed as well. It's perfect for charging devices. In fact, actually, you've got outlets all over the room.
Oh, you do? Gracious.
It's perfect. Even more storage space behind here.
So I could bring all of my clothes.
You're really good. We've got drawers.
And the lighting. There's lighting in here. That's nice.
So this is actually one of two bathrooms. There's actually a half bath in the entryway.
Oh, I like the storage under the sink. Big counter for all my toiletries. Oh, and this is going to come with toiletry. Oh, this is a dental
that's specific to the Empire State Club.
And so I forgot my toothbrush, so this would be perfect.
Perfect. And just over here, we've got a shower and a tub, but actually in two separate areas, which is perfect.
Oh, and look at the shower gel and the toiletries in there. They look fancy.
They've still got that superhero theme to them.
Then, okay, so we've got a vanity mirror that I believe this is gonna light up, which when I'm doing my makeup, that's big. We've got plugs, and there's even Bluetooth capabilities in here.
Perfect.
If you want to store your luggage, you can put your suitcase under the bed. That's out of the way. I don't even have to think about it because if I see my suitcase, I'm gonna think about going home, and I don't want to do that.
And we've got another TV in the bedroom, in the mirror.
Seating area. This is huge.
Oh, hairdryer.
Oh, that's nice. Yep. So hair dryer, which I do not want to have to pack that from home, so that is great. Still can't get over the robes. They're so soft.
And a full-length mirror, and then here we've got the half bath.
Full-length mirror. You know what that means? Mirror self. And more storage. So there's storage in here as well. That's great for the person that if they're sleeping in here, they have their own bathroom, so they don't have to go in and out of the room.
Yeah, absolutely. There's so much space in here, it'd be perfect for my family. And actually, if we brought the grandparents as well, you can book an adjoining room, so it actually enlarges the size of the suite. So you have another bedroom.
That's great. So let's go see a superior garden room. The first thing I noticed is just how like sleek and modern the design is. This is definitely a place my husband and I would love to stay. I'm always headed straight for the window. I gotta see those views. With a garden view out here, I can see, oh, there's Lake Disney. I can see Disney Newport Bay Club. There's even a nice view of the gardens out in front of the hotel. Then look at through here, we've got 2 double beds. I love that there is seating right here on the edge. I think about when I'm putting my shoes on and off and all that I don't have to sit on the bed to do that. And then even, you know, looking through here, the beds, we've got plenty of like sleek lighting. It looks like there's reading lights and they can all be controlled right here from the bed. I love that because there's nothing like you've been, you know, reading or doing something in bed and you don't have to get back out to turn the lights off. So that is great. Also a USB port right here, which is crucial. And then the bedside tables kind of in between and on the edges. And then kind of coming through, we've got an area here where I could sit and get ready in the morning. That is awesome. And there's even some plugs over here. As an international guest, I never want to forget my adapter. But not only could I use this as a mirror if I wanted to, it is also the TV, right? Which is pretty cool. We've got our coffee station here. There's bottles of water. And then in here, we have a small refrigerator tucked away. And we also have right here by the bed, there's a small carpeted area. So that's great when you're putting your feet down, right? In the morning, you get to touch that carpet so it's nice and soft and not too cold. There's small drawers here. And there's also a place you can hang up top here. And then even more hanging here with hangers. These are crucial, right? When you're bringing your clothes, you've got an iron, an ironing board, and just so many things. There's even a safe right over here. So for your valuables, you can tuck those away. Come to the bathroom, it has a sliding door for privacy, and it's gonna be one large room. The toilet is separated by a little partition here. So here in the vanity area, you're gonna find a very large counter space, which is perfect for storing all of your toiletries. There is a very large sink space here. And then underneath, tons of storage. Down here in the storage area, you're also gonna find a hair dryer you can use during your stay, which is huge for those of us who don't wanna have to worry about packing that or bringing that with us. And then inside here, we've got the shower. You can see it is just a walk-in shower, which is very convenient. Got an overhead kind of rainfall shower going on, even a handheld as well. And then mounted on the wall, you have toiletries, so you don't have to pack those, which is great. You've got shampoo, conditioner, and shower gel. When you're getting ready in the mornings, you're gonna love this. There's plenty of lighting around these mirrors. There's even a close-up vanity mirror you can use as well. And then if you're wanting to listen to some tunes while you're getting ready, you can actually connect to the Bluetooth in this bathroom. So bring your phone, listen to your favorite tunes, and have a great day. So there are 2 dining options. There's Downtown Restaurant, which is a buffet style.
And we've got table service at the Manhattan restaurant. I love how convenient it is that all the dining options are located at the same place in the hotel.
They are. I don't know how you choose between the 2, but I think I'm feeling a buffet.
I'm going table service today. Now we're in Manhattan restaurant. Check out this beautiful room. Check out the chandelier inspired by Asgard. This is a perfect place to enjoy breakfast and dinner. Dinner is an Italian-inspired menu, and it's a really accessible menu, so I'm really happy bringing my kids here as well. They really enjoy it.
This is Downtown Restaurant. It's a buffet restaurant available during breakfast and dinner. And just like the city of New York itself, the food here is a blend of cultures. There's Asian, American, and Italian-inspired cuisine. Also, be sure to keep an eye out for all of the art. You'll see some of your favorite superheroes on the placemats and on the walls.
The adventure has led us here to the Skyline Bar.
And if you look just outside this window, you can see the New York City skyline, and I even see Avengers Tower.
And check out this drink. The menu is full of exclusive cocktails and mocktails designed after our favourite superheroes. And my family loves coming here to relax after being in the theme parks. And they like checking out the Skyline because they never know who's going to swing by.
You've got the environment. You really are in a bar in New York City.
It's a super sleek bar.
You're listening to music. It's a great place to relax, to unwind. You've had a full day in the theme parks and you just want to kick back with a favorite cocktail or mocktail.
Or coffee.
Or coffee. This is the place to be. So we're back in the lobby.
And we're going to take a look at all the other amenities in the hotel.
That are just this way. So this is the Metro pool, and it's themed just like you're in a subway station in New York City.
It's absolutely huge in here. There's a great leisure pool that seasonally you can also swim outside too.
There's also a jacuzzi in here. There's lounge chairs. There's towels available that you can use.
There's a sauna, a steam room. There's even a gym.
Even a fitness center. And if you're looking to take your fitness outside, then you can head out to
the hero training zone.
We've got some outdoor fitness equipment. There's a ping pong table, but my favorite part, this basketball court, y'all, is set up and the court itself is like designed like actual superheroes.
There's Iron Man down there, Captain America.
And then on the far side over here, we have kind of a other additional fitness area. There's an area for kickboxing.
There's a trampoline. There's even something for the little heroes to train on as well. And Lizzie. But there's so much more to do inside the hotel. We're at Marvel Design Studio. This is the perfect place to come with your children to get creative.
We've got some coloring right here, which is definitely my speed.
It's such a creative environment in here. It really would encourage your children to get their creative juices flowing. There's coloring that they can do.
We look down here, I think somebody is being drawn on the TV.
I think that must be Groot.
Yes, that is Groot. But if somebody's like, hey, maybe I don't want to draw something, I want to draw someone other than Groot, you can actually come right here.
There's this individual design station is interactive, so you can select the superhero that you want to draw. My little boys would absolutely love coming in here and playing some of these superhero games. Again.
Oh, look at him go!
Wow! Look at him go, Dad.
So one benefit exclusive for guests of this hotel is Superhero Station.
And the best part is, you never know who you're going to meet. Guests of this hotel can make reservations to visit this area up to 7 days before on the Disneyland Paris app.
And it's more than just a meet and greet. There are so many photo opportunities inside.
Let's see who's in there. This must be... No, that's not the way.
It's all mirrors. It's all mirrors.
Oh, this is not even a room. This is
just weird.
Let's take a look at the New York boutique. Oh, there is Spider-Man stuff everywhere.
Everything in this shop is going to feature some of the most beloved superheroes. Wow, what a super day.
There really is so much fun to be had here at Disney Hotel New York, the Art of Marvel.
And we're just a few steps away from Disney Village, so we can be in the Disneyland Paris theme parks in no time.
And you can take the free shuttle bus if you choose.
And don't forget that answering your questions is our superpower.
So visit us at planDisney.com.